In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to bulk remove featured images from posts in WordPress. Unfortunately, by default, you can only remove featured images by editing each post and removing the featured image. Now, if a user has hundreds of posts with featured images, then removing them one by one can be a very time-consuming task. But today, I'm going to show you how you can remove the featured images on your website with one click. To do that, in your dashboard, go to Appearance, then click on the Theme Editor. On the right-hand side, under Theme Files, click on themefunctions.php, scroll down to the bottom of the code. Now make sure you have a recent backup of your website in case anything goes wrong. That way you can always restore the backup. Now paste this piece of code here. I'll link it in the description below. Then click on Update File. Now, one thing to note, whenever you add a custom code on the parent theme, when the theme gets updated, your custom code will be removed. So it's better to use a child theme and add the custom codes to the child theme instead of the parent theme. This way you can retain the customization you make even when the theme is updated. Now back to the website. I'm just going to reload the page. And as you can see, all the featured images are removed. This is how you can bulk remove featured images from posts in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.